Hi, this is Stephanie from Manlius Library, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to complete the watercolor bookmark take and make kit for January. The kits contain a watercolor paper bookmark, some paint samples, Q-tips, and embroidery floss. To begin, first open each little aluminum packet. With one end of a Q-tip, add some water to the paint and then use the clean end of the Q-tip to add water to the other paint sample. Now use the other Q-tips to paint your own design on the bookmark. While that's drying, I will go ahead and make the tassel. Wrap the thread around a ruler about 4 or 5 times and then cut off the excess thread. Next, cut the extra piece in half and thread one of those pieces into the loop that you've made. Use the other piece of thread to tie a knot around the upper portion of your loop to form the tassel. And then I like to include these 2 extra pieces in the tassel itself. You can cut off any extra thread and cut the loop to make the tassel and then attach it to the bookmark. I hope you enjoyed making your bookmark. Thank you for watching.